Below this video is the start of a free video series where I'm going to show you why this is the best trading education on the planet if you trade stocks, options, forex, or futures. And I'm going to show you why it's way better than anything out there and why it makes trading any of those markets a child's game. And if you're watching this particular video that's going to disappear soon, what I'm going to tell you here is going to blow your mind. This program is going to be a $1,000 program. But if you're watching this video right now, I'm letting people in for $97 and I'm giving a 100% money back guarantee on the program for 10 days just to prove to you that it's the best trading program on the planet. And it makes trading by far much easier than anything you'll ever learn out there. And I'm going to explain why in all of these free videos that I'm going to give you here, starting with the videos below. And in this program, I'm going to show you how all of these gurus who are selling their programs and who record their live trade sessions on YouTube where you can go and watch them trade, that they don't even know what's going on in the market. And they don't even know where the trades are going. But in this program, once you learn how things really work in the charts, you're going to see how they don't even know what they're doing. And I've got over 100 videos in this program that show you proof that this is much easier than anything that anybody can show you out there, and proof that most of those guru traders don't even know what's really going on in the charts. That makes trading child's play when you buy their programs. So if you're in that 93+% failure bracket when it comes to trading any of the markets, you don't want to miss this free video series that I'm offering you, starting with the videos below. And you don't want to miss this opportunity that I'm giving you with the 10-day money-back guarantee at only $97. Because I'm going to jack up the price on this program to $1,000 once I reach a certain quota that I'm going to tell you about. And in these free videos, starting with the videos below, I'm going to explain everything about this program in great detail so that you can understand what you're going to get here. So you're not going to find a better opportunity right now to learn how to make trading child's play, whether you trade Forex, stocks, options, or futures. And it's only going to take you a couple days to go through the program. And then you'll know whether or not it's the best trading education on the planet, especially if you've invested time trying to learn all of that insane fundamental jargon that's constantly getting regurgitated all over the place that you don't need to know or learn. And to give you that money back guarantee, it's actually going to cost me money to refund your money if you want a return. I had PayPal as my merchant provider before, which I could give 100% of the money back without it costing me any fees. But I had to dump PayPal, and now I'm using Stripe, and I'll explain all that story on why I had to dump PayPal before. But Stripe charges me a fee, so I'm actually losing money to give these refunds. But anyway, I'm just going to make this as short as possible so you can get started in these free videos, starting with the ones below, and then you're going to sign up to receive the remaining free videos that goes into great detail about what you're going to learn in this program. And you'll have an opportunity to sign up for this at any time by going to the contact link below and sending me an email telling me that you want in. Because I'm not going to just give access to the entry page here. You're going to have to ask me for it. But the bottom line here is that you're going to discover, not only through these free videos that I'm giving you here, but by taking advantage of the program and getting in there to see all of the videos, explain about how simple trading actually is. When you finally learn what's really going on in the charts that nobody talks about, you're going to discover that there's nothing better out there that makes trading easier than this. And once you learn this, you're going to chuck everything that you've ever learned, and you're going to take advantage of what you learn in here. So if you're in that 93% plus failure bracket, and even if you're a successful trader and you're relying on all that fundamental jargon out there, you don't want to miss what's in this program, and you don't want to miss what's in this free video series. What you're going to learn in this program on how this makes trading child's play is going to blow your mind. And once you finally learn what's really going on in the charts, And once you see it, you're going to be like, oh my God, I can't believe this. So anyway, start the free video series below that I've given you. And when you get to the end of the free videos on this page here, get signed up so that you can watch the remaining of the free video series if you haven't already decided that you just want into the program. And watch everything just so that you can see what's really going on in the charts that makes trading child's play that nobody talks about. So I've made this a no-brainer for you to take advantage of. Before I end this video, I'm going to let a couple of trades play out, and I'm going to share a little bit of information with you that I'm going to talk about a couple of times in this free video series, but all you got to do is just use some common sense as I tell you what I'm about to tell you here. But before I tell you that, I'm just going to let you know that I'm going to let these trades play out in time lapse just to accommodate what I'm about to tell you here. But the first thing you'll notice is these are recent trades here. You'll see August 18th, 2025 as I'm recording this. But anyway, I spent over $40,000 on all of the top guru trading educations out there. Think about that for a moment. Over $40,000 worth. And I've been through them all. So I know how all of those guru traders trade. But just think about that knowledge for a minute. I have all of that knowledge on how they all trade. And you can name any top trading guru out there in social media, and I can tell you how they trade. But what I'm going to show you in this program is way better and way easier than anything they can show you, because they're all going to talk about all of that fundamental jargon. And they all use indicators that just clutter up your charts. And you don't need any of that when you finally see what's really going on in the charts that nobody talks about. And the other thing I'll mention in this free video series is that I watch these gurus trade live on their feeds, and I record as I'm trading just to prove that I know what's going on in the charts and they don't. And I have several examples where I'm in trades, recording them live, and you can hear them talking, and I show you examples of why I take trades going in the opposite direction that they're going in, and I win and they lose. Or you'll hear them talk and you can tell that they really don't even know what's going on in the charts, because when you learn everything that's in this program and you finally understand what's really going on and you watch these gurus trade live, you're going to realize that they don't know what's going on in the charts, but you're going to know what's going on in the charts. So much so that it'll irritate you to watch them live. And you'll realize that you don't need to watch them in order to make the best trades that you could ever make. So spending $40,000 on all of those top guru educations was a waste. And over 90% of those guru educations didn't even come with a money-back guarantee. But just think about that for a moment. Use some common sense here. I spent over $40,000 on the top guru trading educations, and I'm telling you, all of that stuff is a waste of time when you learn what's really going on in the charts. And I'm offering you a no-brainer 100% money-back guarantee for 10 days. And it's only going to take you a couple of days to watch the videos. So you can sign up here at any time. You don't even have to watch the free video series. If you want in, use the contact link at the bottom of the site, shoot me an email, and tell me you want in. And then check it out and you'll see for yourself. And if you think that I'm full of it, just ask me for a refund and I'll gladly give you a refund. And if you're a futures trader, the things that you're going to learn in the futures section is going to blow your mind. But when you get in there, if you're just a futures trader, make sure that you watch all of the Forex videos from the introduction all the way through, because you're going to learn some tidbits of information in those Forex videos that are going to help you tremendously if you trade futures, and vice versa. If you're a Forex trader, watch all the futures videos. And if you just trade stocks and options, watch all the videos when you get in there, because you're going to learn things that are going to blow your mind. But as I'll mention in one of the upcoming free videos in this free video series, once I jack up the price after this pre-launch introductory, I have to limit the number of people that get in here per month for reasons that I'll explain about in the upcoming free videos. And at that point, you'll have to get in line in order to get in. And I'll explain everything in the upcoming free videos. But anyway, I just wanted to share that little bit of information with you before I end this video while these two trades unfolded. So I was up late editing videos for the program, and I saw this beautiful setup unfold, and you're going to learn no-brainer setups all throughout this program that all make trading like child's play, where you don't need to know any of that fundamental jargon and you don't need any indicators. You'll just know what's happening. You'll know where to make your entry and you'll know where the price is headed. But this pre-launch discount is as good as it's going to get. You're not going to beat $97 for this education because this education is actually worth $10,000 compared to some of these gurus who are charging $8,000 and $10,000 for their mentorship. And their programs are not anywhere near as good as what you're going to learn in here. So if you're in that 93% failure bracket and you're having a hard time passing evaluations or holding on to your live accounts or your PA accounts, don't wait to get signed up here. Get in here and learn everything, because the information that you're going to learn, it's going to change your life. And after you learn everything, you will get rid of all of that fundamental jargon and all of those indicators, because you're going to realize how easy trading really is when you finally learn what's really going on in the charts that nobody talks about. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video.